Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can manage a screen mirror effect of your front camera in the Samsung Galaxy F14. So let's start, open the camera up. Now flip the camera to the front one. We can take a photo now to show you the difference. And now go to the settings. And how you can see there we have a save selfies as previewed. If you want to flip your selfies when you're taking it, just switch it off, go back to the camera, take your photo again, and how you can see now the photo is flipped. And this is a normal mode. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.